Hello all, this is me Priya ma'am, welcoming you all to Upyukt Kitty Cloud. Today we are going to learn about the body parts which are called as the internal organs. So all these days we have learned about the eyes, nose, mouth, hand, leg which are outside, which we can see through our eyes. Those are called as the external organs. So today we are going to learn the organs which are inside our body that cannot be seen directly using our eyes. So let's get started. Internal organs. The first internal organ which we are going to learn is about the brain. This is our brain. So the brain will be inside our head. The head, we can see it because it is outside our body, but the brain is there inside our body. And do you know what the brain helps us to do? The brain helps us to think. When Priya ma'am is talking, you are able to understand and reflect what Priya ma'am is telling you, correct? So this work your brain help you to do. Think, you can understand also, and you can remember also. The brain help us to do all these work. And do you know who protects the brain? The skull. The skull will protect the brain. So the next internal organ which we are going to learn is about the lungs. What is this? This is our lungs. You can see we have two lungs here. Everybody will have two lungs. And lungs are present inside the chest. The lungs are present inside the chest. And what do we use our lungs for? We use our lungs to breathe. You remember we did breathe in and breathe out? Through our nose we did breathing, right? So the air goes inside our body through the nose. But it is the lungs which will keep the air completely rotated inside our body, and it will push the bad air outside and it goes out through the nose. The lungs helps us to breathe. You know who protects the lungs? It is the rib cage. The rib cage is a bone that will protect the lungs. Okay. Now the next internal organ that we are going to learn is, what is this that gives lup sound? That is our heart. The heart, you can see in the picture, the heart is present between the two lungs. This is the lung which we have learned. This is our heart which is present in between the two lungs. And do you know what is the size of the heart? When you make a fist of your hand, this is how you will make a fist. You will fold all the four fingers inside and you will keep the thumb outside. That is called the fist. Only this much will be your heart size. As and when you grow, your fist will also become growing. So the same way, whenever you're growing big, the heart will also have that size, only the size of your fist. And the heart circulate the blood to the entire body. That means the blood will go here and there inside our body, right? So the heart will do that work. And who's going to protect the heart? The same rib cage which is protecting the lungs is protecting the heart as well. The next organ which we are going to learn is the liver. You can see in the picture, I told you, these are the lungs and this is the heart. And now where are the liver? This is the liver which is present just below our lungs. These are the lungs and this is the liver which is just present below the lung. This is the largest gland in our body. This is the largest organ in our body. Okay. And it produces bile. Do you know what is the meaning of bile? That means a juice-like content which will be little yellowish or brownish in color. Okay. So this liver produces the bile. And again, the rib cage protects the liver too. The rib cage protects the liver. The next internal organ which is there inside our body is our kidneys. What is this called? It is the kidney, which is present in the back of our body. This little back of your body, and as you can see, there are 2 kidneys in our body. And when you see this, what are you remembering? Don't you feel it is like Rajma, the bean? Yes, it is looking like the bean. So it is called the bean-shaped organ. The kidneys are called the bean-shaped organ. And do you know what the kidney does? Kidney cleans the blood in our body. Kidney will clean the blood in our body, and the rib cage protects the kidney. See how long is our rib cage? From the lung till the kidney it is protecting. Yes. The next one is our intestine. So intestine are present just below the liver. Okay. Intestine, what it is doing? Whenever we are eating the food will go inside our body. So the intestine will help the food to get digested. Intestine helps for digestion. With this, we will stop here and we will come back with a new topic and learn it tomorrow. Bye-bye.